USC, United reach deal on Coliseum field naming rights. Los Angeles The Los Angeles Memorial Coliseum will not bear a new name that includes a corporate sponsor, but its field will. The University of Southern California and United Airlines announced a new agreement Friday that names the field at the historic landmark, United Airlines Field at the Los Angeles Memorial Coliseum. The deal will go into, under the terms of a previous agreement announced in 2018, United would pay USC $69 million over 16 years to have the Coliseum named United Airlines Memorial Coliseum. But that deal came up. Unlike other modern sports venues, Los Angeles Memorial Coliseum is not just a stadium, it is a war memorial, Hahn wrote in a March 25 op-ed in the Los Angeles Times. Removing days after Hahn's op-ed, Janet Lamkin, president of United in California, reportedly offered to step away from its partnership with USC and end the agreement, which was vital to the school's financing of a $315 million renovation of the nearly century-old landmark. USC and United did not disclose revised financial terms of the agreement but announced this deal will be for 10 years instead of 16. USC is honored to be the caretaker of this Los Angeles treasure and, together with United, we are ensuring the Coliseum's future as a world-class venue, USC Interim President Wanda M. Austin said in a statement. The naming of the field, the USC football team will unveil the renovated Coliseum and its newly named field the night of August 31 in a game against Fresno State that will be broadcast nationally by ESPN. USC originally announced the renovation would cost $270 million, but costs grew as the privately funded project developed. If United had pulled out of the naming rights deal, it would have represented a major blow to USC's fundraising for the renovation. United has a long history in Los Angeles, serving the city for more than 80 years, Lamkin said in a statement. With so many USC and United also announced that they will honor local veterans in additional ways as part of the agreement, including providing support for veterans who attend USC as well as building a memorial in honor of veterans at the Coliseum. In the end, Hahn's push to preserve the past worked to achieve her goal. I am pleased that USC and United have come together in a way that will honor the memories of veterans who served in World War I and our broader community of veterans, Hahn said in a statement. This agreement copyright 2019 Los Angeles Times. Visit the Los Angeles Times at www.lateams.com. Distributed by Tribune Content Agency, LLC. Related slideshow ranking the 10 best college football mascots provided by For the Win.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.